Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today, we're exploring a vehicle that pushes the boundaries of premium travel and modern engineering. The 2027 Motorhome by BMW represents the pinnacle of rolling luxury, blending advanced automotive technology with the comfort of a high-end apartment. This is not just a motorhome designed for vacations. It's a statement of innovation and refined living on wheels. From the first glance, the exterior design captures attention with a bold and futuristic presence. The signature front styling is unmistakable, featuring an illuminated grille that seamlessly integrates with ultra-slim adaptive LED headlights. The body lines are smooth and aerodynamic, sculpted to reduce drag while maintaining a commanding road presence. A combination of lightweight composite materials and aluminum construction keeps the vehicle strong yet efficient. The side profile is long and elegant, with panoramic smart glass windows that can adjust transparency for privacy or sunlight control. Flush-mounted doors and hidden storage compartments preserve the clean, uninterrupted silhouette. Large aerodynamic alloy wheels enhance stability and give the motorhome a sporty stance rarely seen in this segment. Subtle LED accent lighting runs along the edges, creating a dramatic glow at night and emphasizing its modern character. At the rear, the design continues with sleek horizontal lighting elements and an integrated digital display panel that can show vehicle status or personalized welcome animations. Every exterior detail feels intentional, balancing luxury aesthetics with functional engineering. Built-in solar panels on the roof contribute to energy efficiency, supporting onboard systems and extending off-grid capability. Stepping inside reveals an interior that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a traditional RV. The cabin is open, airy, and crafted with exceptional materials. Soft, premium leather upholstery combines with natural wood trims and brushed metal accents to create a sophisticated atmosphere. Ambient lighting runs throughout the interior, adjustable to suit different moods, from bright and energizing to calm and relaxing. The main lounge area is designed for maximum comfort. Plush reclining seats with heating, cooling, and massage functions face a large retractable 8K display. A premium surround sound system fills the space with crystal-clear audio, turning the lounge into a private cinema. The layout encourages social interaction, with modular seating arrangement that can be reconfigured for entertaining guests or relaxing during long journeys. The kitchen area showcases advanced design and practicality. High-end appliances are seamlessly integrated into minimalist cabinetry, including an induction cooktop, convection oven, smart refrigerator, and a compact dishwasher. Countertops are crafted from durable luxury surfaces that resist scratches and heat. Smart storage solutions ensure that every utensil and ingredient has its place, maintaining a clean and organized appearance. Moving toward the sleeping quarters, the bedroom offers a tranquil retreat. A full-size smart bed automatically adjusts firmness and position for optimal comfort. Surrounding wardrobes provide generous storage, while soft-touch materials and sound insulation create a peaceful environment. Large windows with automated blackout shades allow occupants to control light and privacy effortlessly. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a spacious walk-in rain shower, elegant sink, and premium fixtures. Heated floors add comfort, and advanced water recycling technology improves efficiency during extended trips. Every surface is selected to combine durability with a spa-like aesthetic. Performance is a standout feature of the 2027 BMW Motorhome. It is powered by an advanced hybrid electric drivetrain that delivers strong acceleration while maintaining impressive efficiency. Instant electric torque makes the vehicle feel responsive despite its size. The intelligent all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability across various terrains, whether cruising on highways or navigating mountain roads. The adaptive air suspension automatically adjusts ride height and damping, providing exceptional ride comfort and precise handling. Advanced driver assistance systems include autonomous highway driving capabilities, adaptive cruise control, lane centering technology, and a full suite of safety sensors. A panoramic digital cockpit presents navigation and vehicle information clearly, reducing driver workload and increasing confidence. Technology is integrated into every aspect of the motorhome. A centralized smart control system allows occupants to manage climate, lighting, entertainment, and security through a touchscreen interface or mobile app. High-speed satellite connectivity ensures reliable internet access, making remote work and streaming effortless. Voice control adds another layer of convenience, enabling hands-free operation of key features. When it comes to pricing, the 2027 BMW Motorhome sits firmly in the ultra-luxury category. The estimated starting price is around $850,000, with fully customized versions reaching well beyond $1.5 million, depending on materials, technology packages, and bespoke interior options. Buyers can personalize nearly every detail, from color schemes to layout configurations, creating a motorhome tailored to their lifestyle. The 2027 BMW Motorhome represents a new era of luxury travel. It merges cutting-edge automotive innovation with residential comfort, delivering an experience that is both exhilarating and relaxing. For those who demand excellence in every journey, this motorhome offers a unique blend of style, performance, and intelligent design that truly defines the pinnacle of rolling luxury. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.